when two hearts blessed before the eyes of God, we will be blessed for the rest of our lives. We also believe that when two hearts united as one, we will be forever as one. Kapuso, kapamilya, kaibigan, I love to hear your big round of applause as I welcome everybody to the much-awaited Alma and Lamelio wedding celebration. Today's wedding celebration of Julius and Helen will not be completed if we are not going to give the highest regards and due recognition to all the beautiful people behind their bridal entourage. And to start with, sukian ho natin ang ating kaukulang malalakas na palakpak ang kanilang oras at panahon na ginugol sa araw na ito. Let's give our big hand to the lineup of the Flower Girls headed by Samantha, Danielle, Veronica, Kathleen, and Angel May. Sana yung mga amay mamaya kumaway sa harap ng camera, okay? This time, the symbolic letters headed by the Bible winner. Parents, gusto kong mamuna kayo sa pagbibigay ng palakpak kay Chris John. The coin bearer, John Francis Llames. And the ring bearer, Cyril Jos Llames and Nathan John Alampay. O, si Kuya, damang-daman niya yung paglakad niya, right? The pairs of the secondary sponsors, gusto kong huminto kayo sa gitna ng footbridge at ibigay ang inyong magandang ngiti at pinakamagandang pose sa araw na ito. The pairs of their secondary sponsors headed by the candle sponsors, we have Mr. Darren De Jesus and Miss Maricel Velasco.
I'm the number of the freaking house. I stepped inside.
I have that closing. Next here, the bail sponsors, we have Mr. Alwin Nunez and Miss Jerry May Corboron.
I'm the number of the freaking house.
Para ang lakas ng paalan nyo, ha? The court sponsors, Mr. Michael Abang and Miss Iris Rilong. Michael, are you with us? Wala ba kayong pagkaman nagsosolo si Michael? The pairs of the groomsmen and the bridesmaid headed by Mr. John or Bill John Sanchez and Mary Ann Banta.
I'm in the house. I'm the number of the freaking house. I stepped inside and turned it on.
Another pair, Mr. Yobert Banta and Miss Rochelle Relosa.
I'm the number of the freaking house. I stepped inside and turned it on.
Totoo nga ba ang kasabihang pag kayo ay umako bilang best man at maid of honor, matagal kayong magkakaroon ng inyong nobyo at nobya. But this gentleman and this lady did play a very vital role for today's wedding ceremony and wedding celebration. Kilalanin mo natin ang napakakisig na best man at napakakaakit-akit na maid of honor, Mr. Jonathan Banog and Miss Aiza Nunez. May boyfriend na kaya si Aiza at may girlfriend na si Mr. Bestman. Wala po dito sa mundong ibabaw mga kaibigan si Julius at si Helen kung wala po ang pinagkakautangan nila ng kanilang buhay. Yan po ay ang pinakamamahal nilang mga magulang. Sa inyo pong lahat, mga kaibigan, sana po pag tayo ay dumako sa pag-alay ng ating mga dasal at panalangin kay Julius at kay Helen sa ikatatagumpay ng kanilang buhay mag-asawa, ay mag-alay din po tayo ng isang maikiling dasal para sa kanilang mga yumaong mga magulang na si Mrs. Ponciana Omang and of course, Mr. Silverio Lamerio. Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of the home, the pride of Bohol, and of course, the proud and happy good father of Julius, kasama po ang kanyang napakagandang tita. This is between the father and the tita tandem, Mr. Tomenador Omang and Miss Pasita Agna. Where is the daddy? Wala ba kayong palakpak kay Tita Pasita? Magandang hapon po. Sama ko tayo dito sa itablado. Parang lakad modelo lang sa Tita Pasita. This time, from Bohol, bumabaho tayo sa riyon ng Bicol Region. The proud and happy parents, of course, of Helen. But this time, this is between the mother and the Kuya tandem. The pride of Albay Bicol and the pride of the Lamerio family, Kuya Jun Lamerio and Mommy Salvacion Lamerio. Hello Jun, hello Mommy, Salvi, Salvacion, magandang hapon po. Akit po tayo sa stage. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please stand up as we welcome and congratulate the newlyweds. Tumayo po ang lahat at sana po mga kaibigan, pagpasok po ni Diyos at ni Lily dito po sa loob ng ating bulwagan, yung mga hindi pa ho nakakabate, lapitan niyo po ang bagong kasal, yakapin, hagkan at ipaabot ang inyong pagbate sa kanilang dalawa. Totoo nga ba ang kasabihang walang pinipiling oras at lugar ang tunay na pag-ibig? Sabi ng marami, destiny is not a matter of choice, but rather it is a matter of faith. May kasabihan kapag itinakda ng ating Panginoon ang taong ating makakasama sa habang buhay, hanggang sa huling sandali ng ating hininga ay dapat natin siyang tanggapin, mahalin, ibigin, katulad ng pagtanggap at pagmamahal sa atin ng dakilang lumikha sa atin. Through the power vested to the officiating priest of the Maria Reina ng mga Apostoles Parish Church, simula po sa araw na ito, ika-8 ng Setyembre taong 2012, sa ilalim ng batas ng Simbahang Katolika at sa ilalim ng batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas, sila po ay ganap at opisyal ng mag-asawa. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal, Mr. and Mrs. Julius and Helen Omang. Ang hina naman ang palakpak. Let's give our big hand to Julius and Helen. Wala pang malakas na palakpak muli for the newlyweds. Walk slowly. Wala pang mas malakas na palakpak muli. Everybody. Ang gwapo ni Julius, no? Ang ganda niya. Bilang panimulang pagbate, I should say thank you to everybody. Kumaway naman kayong dalawa sa bandang people. Malaman mo yung palakpak. Julius and Helen. Everybody, you may now take your seat. Maraming salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, napakinggan niyo po ang isa po sa mga Jades Divas ng Taguig. Pamangkin din po ni Miss Gloria Diaz. Palakpakan natin, Miss Camille Diaz. Thank you, Camille. Mamaya po mapapakinggan niyo pa rin po siya. Do we have a foreign guest this time? Is he a foreigner? No. No, I thought you were a foreigner. Ladies and gentlemen, alam niyo po, siguro mas masaya talaga ang pakiramdam ni Julius kung nandito ang kanyang mami. And of course, mas masaya rin ang pakiramdam ni Helen kung nandito ang kanyang daddy. But alam niyo po, wala man ho akong third eye, pero dama ko, the late Mrs. Ponciano Omac and the late Mr. Silverio Lamerio are both here. Your mother and your dad are here watching us. Nakikiisa, nakikisaya. Kung kaya't isama ho natin sa ating panalangin, isang maikling dasal para po sa mas lalong ikakatahimik ng kanilang kaluluwa. And for that matter, I'd like to call Mr. Rain Azuela to lead a short prayer. Tumayo po ang lahat para sa isang maikling dasal at panalangin.
Let us all bow down our heads and feel the presence of God. Lord, we give you thanks and praise for this wonderful day you've provided to us. You've given to our friends Helen and Julius as we take part in their unity as two individuals who've actually just got married. May you bless also the food that we're going to be taking part as well today, and more than just physical strength, may this also strengthen our faith in you. All this through your Son, Jesus. Amen.
Thank you very much, Rain. Everybody, you may now permanently take your seat. Si Rain parang galing sa, sa abroad. He has this twang. He has the intonation. Moving on. Parang gusto ko umakyat muna sa stage. But at any rate, sila po ang tanging magiging kasagutan for whatever reception and catering requirements you will be needing this afternoon. Mga kaibigan, kapuso, kapamilya, meron ho silang nameplate. All you have to do is just to call their attention for the same requirements. Friends, with pride and distinct honor, allow me to introduce the staff and the crew of Villa Salud for the Foods Parade. Wala rin yung malapa kanilang lahat, mga kaibigan. Gusto kong umakyat sa stage dahil nais kong batiin si Julius at si Helen na alam niyo po, 6:00 pa lamang ng umaga ay tinitext na ako ng dalawa just to ensure na ako po ay dadalo sa araw ng kanilang kasal. Mga kaibigan, si Martel po ang nagwagi sa katatapos namang Pinoy Big Brother 10th edition kung saan sino ho ang makakalimot sa ating lahat na sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya ay may inamin si Rustom Padilla. Julius, Helen, may aaminin ako sa inyong dalawa, parents, ninong sa ninang at higit sa lahat sa inyo po, madlang people. Kung paano nyo ho tinanggap, minahal at pinalakpakan si Rustom sa kanyang pag-amin, sana po ay tangkapin nyo rin ako. Mahalin, ibigin, dahil nais kong aminin sa inyong lahat. I will be your host for today's wedding celebration of Julius and Helen. If I deserve everybody's palakpak, my name is Benedict Primados. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mo. Mga kaibigan, kanina ho ay, sa bagay, kailangan i-attend niya ang kanyang mga kabag-anakan. Kapiling na ho natin kung saan nagmana ang kagwapuhan, of course, ni Julius, the very good-looking father. Wala ba kayong palakpak kay Tatay Dominador Omac? Magandang hapon po, Dad. Gusto yung palakpak na yung walang energy talaga kahit kailan. And speaking of ninong Ninang, our parents themselves believe the importance of having our godfathers and godmothers o yung tinatawag nating ating mga ninong at mga ninang who are going to play a vital role in behalf of our parents. Sana po sa mga ninong na aking tatawagin, pagtawag ko po ng inyong pangalan, medyo tumindig ho kayo ng bahagya at kumaway sa bandang people. Let's begin introducing the distinguished gentlemen as their ninongs and ninang. Kamag-anak niya kaya si Jessica Sanchez. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Melencio Sanchez. Another good-looking ninong. Let's give another big hand to Mr. Ninong Benjamin Azares. The pride of the season, family, Mr. Ninong Fred Season. We also have Mr. Ninong Alan Ramirez. Oy, bata pa si Ninong Alan. And of course, you know I love to pronounce his family name, Mr. Ninong Generoso Abu Abu. Okay, so let's move here. Hello, Nari Salvacion. Magandang hapon po. Kita Pasita, magandang hapon. This time, ang linya po ng mga magagandang ninang headed by Ninang Marcela Reynosa, sad to be recognized. Good afternoon. We also have Ninang Freda Lapit. Ninang Freda here. Why don't we welcome Ninang Aileen Hernal? Why don't we welcome Miss Ninang Evelyn there? And of course, Ninang Bernie Noronio there. Dito ho, nasa aking harapan, ang medyo mahiyain na ninang. Wala ho ba kayong palakpak kay Ninang Mary Ann Boston? Pero Ninang? Ayan, so kailangan ko talaga pagkaya dahil hindi ko ako kasya doon sa area na yun. Anyway, so katulad mo na ako, direct, pasensya ka na kasi nag-i-smear na yung makeup ko. Let's continue. Again, this is the moment for everybody to enjoy the food and your lunch. Bagamat medyo late na. May I invite the couple? Jules, Lynn, dito tayo sa baba.
Was it you who spoke the words that things would happen but not to me? All things are gonna happen naturally. Oh, taking your advice and I'm looking on the bright side and balancing the whole thing. Oh, but it oftentimes those words that get tangled up in lines and the bright light turns to night. Oh, until the dawn it brings another day to sing about the magic that was you and me. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. Others only read of the love, oh, the love that I love. Yeah, love, love, love. See, I'm all about them words, over numbers, unencumbered, numbered words. Hundreds of pages, pages, pages for words. More words than I had ever heard, and I feel so alive. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. And if you could see me now, oh, love, love, you and I, not so little you and I anymore. And with the silence brings a moral story, more importantly evolving is the glory of a boy. 'Cause you and I both others just read of. And if you could see me now, well then I'm almost finally out of. Finally well I'm almost finally, well I am free. Oh, I'm free.
Gusto pong mag-aalay ng isang awitin kay Julius at kay Helen at para rin po sa inyo lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan din ng bawat isa.
Sorry to leave though I tried to convince me to leave it, so you came with I wonder again, it's kinda true.
Mommy, this is for you. Rain has stopped and the skies were blue, and no other revelation of what in a million, a chance of a lifetime, and show compassion and send to me as the road of love calls you. A one in a million you. I was alone with empty arms to fill. Then I find a piece of happiness to call my own, and life is worth living again. For to love you to live is to live. A one in a million. Ulit a chance of a time. Okay lang yung boy. And I show compassion and send to me as the road of love called you. Brother was Julius. A one in a million you. What's your name? Ellen. A one in a million. Do you know the song? Chance of a lifetime, and I show compassion and send to me as the road of love called you. In a million years, ang pogi ni Dora. One in a million. Sandali lang, maliyain mo siya. Mga kaibigan, kanina ho nung nag-second PDA, si Julius at si Helen, hindi ako nakarinig ng tunog galing sa inyong mga utensils and glasses. Yan ho ang isa sa mga kostumari at tradisyonaling mga Pilipino. Alwin, halika rito. Alam mo ibig sabihin nun? Yung tunog na yun. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, kailangan mo akong harikan sa harap ng bandang people. Sandali lang. Kaya mo ba akong halikan sa harapan ng bandang people? Sige. Pag pumayag ka, papayag na ako. Gusto ko gums to gums tayo. So wala ba ako mag-apply? Pwede, pwede. Magkano allowance gusto mo? How much? Pwede na ba sa'yo mga 1,000 bucks a day? Pwede na. Pero lagi kang nasa kwarto ko. Wala mo kayong palakpak kay Alvin Nunez. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat, Manoy.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feel.
For the first time, today, September 8, 2012, Julius and Helen for their first dance as well as their prosperity dance.
So bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time.
Eto na. I'd like to invite the members of the family of Ama, Yames,